Whoa, don't get so close.
How does that happen?
I don't know.
That's funny. I don't know if it's showing you.
What? I don't. Oh, don't get so close. I'm gonna sneeze on the camera. Oh. Ew. It's like feels weird in my nose.
Hopefully it's still showing you. Hold it.
Yeah, I feel like weird.
Doesn't that hurt your nose ring?
Oh, that's close. Oh, I almost got a double. You're like looking at my nose.
How far do you shove it up there?
So like here.
Ah, you.
It tickles. That was like a delayed one. And my eyes are watering. Do it with me.
I don't know if it'll work. Hang on. Let me go get...
Here. No, here.
Ew, I'm not shoving the same one up your nose.
No, I got this one. I was holding it. I broke it in half.
Oh. We have to set it up because I don't know if this is looking at us.
Okay. Oh.
Weird. How? Oh, my nose itches.
Yeah, take it. Dude, we need to set this up. Here, let's set it up over here.
Oh, that hurts.
No, set it up over here.
That hurts. It tickles.
Alright.
If we sit right here, will it work?
Oh. Ow! Hit my back.
That hurts. Or it tickles anyway.
I'll make 2 of these. Mine are watering too really bad.
Oh, I need to blow it.
Go get like a kind of like a...
Oh, I felt tickling. I kind of want to do it.